Welcome to my channel. Let me show you how to solve the equation y over 2y minus 16 raised to y is equal to 0. Now, the first thing that we should do is to transpose 16y to the other side. So we have 16 raised to y, or y over 2y is equal to 16 raised to y. Then after that, we expressed 16 raised to y as 4 raised to 2 raised to y. So that our equation now becomes y over 2y is equal to 4 raised to 2 raised to y, or 4 raised to 2y. So we have 1 over 2y is equal to 4 raised to 2y. Now from here we can raise both terms to 1 over 2y. So we can cancel 2y and 2y, so that the equation becomes 1 over 2y is raised to 1 over 2y is equal to 4. You notice in the left-hand side of the equation, the base is the same with the exponent. So we can do the same with 4 by writing it as 2 raised to 2. So we now have 1 over 2y raised to 1 over 2y is equal to 2 raised to 2. So here you notice that the base is the same with exponent, and so with the right hand side we have the base is also the same with exponent. So we can now therefore equate the bases, that is 2 is equal to 1 over 2y, and the exponents 2 is equal to 1 over 2y. Now, in which case we have 4y is equal to 1, that is cross multiplying the both sides of the equation. We have 2 times 2y is 4y, then we have 1 times 1 is 1. So dividing both sides by 4, we get y is equal to 1/4. So we verify whether this value of y is correct. We substitute this in the original equation. We have 1 over 2y minus 16 raised to y is 0. So we have y 1 over 2 times y is 1/4 minus 16 raised to 1/4, that is the value of y, is equal to 0. 2 and 4 will be reduced to 2, so that 1 over 1/2 is equal to 2, minus 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4 raised to 1/4 is equal to 0. So we have 2 minus 2 because 4 and 4 cancel, and we have is equal to 0. Therefore, 2, 0, and 0, the left hand side is the same with the right hand side. We can say that y is equal to 1/4 is verified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.